So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So it has been long I've uploaded video because I've been finding app that pays you money daily does what playing game. And right here I've seen this particular app here called what Coin Bubbles. So this Coin Bubbles pays you does what playing games. Right here you click on this what Coin Bubbles right here. So you just play the game to also end. So I'll be withdrawing $10 worth right now. And what do you guys just have to do is to what sign up and also what withdraw your money to also what earn. So when the minimum payout is from $10 and you can withdraw your money to your what payee and other wallet accounts. So I'm dropping the referral link under the comment section or in the description box. Right here I'm 11.3 playing the game to 11.3. So right here you just have to what play the game to also what earn. So right here you just have to what click on play. You set on all this ball right here. Can you see it? You set on this ball. You turn the distance, the circles around. So you turn it around and pick what another ball that what is similar to it. If you do not see it, you play it on another side. So you play on this red, everything drop down. So that's just it. It's very easy to play. So can you see it's very easy to play. Can you see that it's very easy to play? So you just have to play it finish. So you'll be able to receive your coin. Can you see I'm almost done playing the game. So you just have to set it on this red color right here.
There are so many mobile games out there, but only a few of them actually. But if you love playing Ludo on your mobile phone, then you're going to enjoy MPL Ninja. It is a Ludo-based mobile.
So that does it. So right here I've received 463 coin, and to double it to 40,000 coin I just have to watch ads to double it. So just click on the ads here, you click on play. So to double your coin for you, see look at my balance right here. So to double your coin for you, so you'll be able to watch. So just make sure you watch this ads right here. So you click on cancel. So when you click on cancel, they'll add it to my balance right here. Can you see it? They've added it to my balance. So I'll click on home. So I'm going home right now. So you click on the home button. So you click on yes. So right now I'm showing you how you can withdraw your money. So I'm dropping my referral link right here. So with this word, this is my referral code right here. So I'm dropping the link under the comment section and use this word code what to sign up, and I'm dropping a promo code for you. So you can also use this promo code to receive what 20,000 coin. Look at it. So after installing the app, I'm dropping a promo code. So use this promo code to receive the words 20,000 2 million coins. Sorry, receive the 2 million coin and you'll be able to withdraw your 2 million coin. So right here to withdraw, you click here. So the minimum is what 100 million coin, 1 million coin. Sorry, so this is 1 million coin. You'll be able to withdraw your 1 million coin. You click on PayPal, Pay, USDT, anyone you want to use. So when you use Pay, you click on confirm to be able to withdraw your money. So to withdraw this money right here, to withdraw this 20 million coin, you just have to refer one person and the person must play up to level 5 to withdraw the money. So I'm posting my payment proof next video I'm uploading. So I'm posting my payment proof and you guys will see as I withdraw my $10. It's very easy guys. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share these videos for more.